Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to do flat twist, and this is a flat twist updo, and it's a very simple way of doing them. And before you know how to do the flat twist, you really need to have a little bit of knowledge on doing the twists. But don't worry, twists are very easy to do, but during the video I will give you tips on how to go about it. So just stay tuned. I know you're here because you really need to learn about how to do this flat twist, so just stay with me till the end and I'll show you everything. So here, what I'm doing first, I'm just sectioning my hair. So since it's an updo, we are going to section the hair into two, and you can see how I'm arranging everything. And then I'll start from behind. I started from behind so that I can show you the tutorial clearly from the front. So here you can see I'm done with the separation, and then I went ahead and started doing at the back. Do not worry about this first video. We are going to do a very slow-mo tutorial, but right now I'm just going to show you what you're going to expect during the whole video. So just do not worry. By the way, my name is Lisa, and I teach so many stuffs about hair. So if you're new here, please remember to just subscribe and click on the post notifications bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So here you can see, guys, I'm already done with the back. So do not worry, we are going now to start with the tutorial, the real one, okay? And as you're doing it, please let me know where you're from, which country you're from, and you get to say hi. So far we have viewers from the USA, we have viewers from Nigeria, from Mozambique, from Uganda, from Australia. So guys, represent your country here in the comment section. Just say hi and I'll get to give a reply. Okay, I read all the comments, guys. So here you see what I'm doing. Anyway, what I'm doing here is that I am doing my partings, and guys, I always insist on making sure that your partings are very clean. So you take your time when you're doing your partings, okay? So, and the thing that I'm using there is called wax. So wax is normally used mostly on dreadlocks, on retouching the dreadlocks or even making the dreadlocks. But now here I'm using it for plaiting, and I love it because it has a very strong hold. Okay, so when you're looking for something to plait the hair with, look for something that has a good hold, that is not very slippery. So you can work with anything that works for you. There are also hair gels for plaiting out there, so you can just do with what works for you. But if you don't know, so for me, I'm using the wax. All right, and do not worry about the white stuff, they'll just disappear on their own, or if not, we normally use a warm water towel to just make them go away. So guys, here, yeah, you can see how the parting came out very neatly. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm doing the tuckouts, and I will show you the importance of the tuckouts in this tutorial, okay? And we really, if you're a beginner, you must do this so that you get your twists in place, okay? So I'm doing the tuckouts with the 3-strand, and I always say that I insist on doing this tuckout going inside. And the reason why I say that is because when you do the tuckout going inside, you know, the hair, when it's growing, it goes inside, and it's very hard for it to come out very quickly or to pop out very quickly. So it keeps your style in place longer. And anyway, I will share a link of one of the tutorials, detailed tutorials of doing the inside tuckouts. I've done a tutorial on Stitchlines, so I'll just link it in the description box, and you can get to see it, okay? So we just keep doing the tuckouts till the end, and then what I'm going to show you next now, how we're going to add the extension. And I realize that most people have a problem when it comes to adding extensions when doing the flat twist, like doing them as a cornrow. So some people really have difficult time doing it, so that is why I came up with this style. Okay, it's going to be very simple even for beginners. As long as you have a little bit of knowledge on how to do the twists, then it's going to be very simple for you. So as I'm as I'm doing the tuck outs, you have to make sure you're doing the tuck outs till the end, guys, till the end. Do not leave any hair open, okay, so that it becomes very easy when it comes to starting out the flat twist. So do the tuck out till the end, and then what we're going to do next, then we're going to add our extension. So the hair I'm using today, guys, it's called Brazilian wool. If you've heard about it, that hair, it's very good for twists, especially when it comes to twists. It really does its job. So for this style, if you use normal braids, you're going to really have a difficult time. Use something that is rough or something that is not does not have too much work, like the Brazilian wool or the fluffy kinky. You can use it. There's so many hairs out there. Just do what works for you, but I'd recommend doing with the Brazilian wool. One reason is because you can see the small partings, like it separates itself automatically, so you don't have to worry about doing the sizing and everything. So you just take the small parts and crochet them into your tuck out. So here, guys, you're going to crochet them up to the end. Do not leave anything out. And the reason why I'm saying it, because when we're going to twist, we have to hold the hair into place. And if you don't if you leave out one tuck out, when it comes to holding the twist, there's going to be a difference. You'll see that the twist is not holding into place on one section. Okay, so just do the crochet up to the end of the line on all your tuck outs. Don't leave anything out. Anyway, guys, up to this point, if you have a question, if you have an inquiry, just leave it down in the comment section and I answer all of it. Okay, I'm always watching all your comments, so don't worry about me not going to see it. Of course, I will see it and I will answer it. Okay, so here I'm almost done with doing the crochet, and you can see how the Brazilian hair is easy to work with. So that is why I highly recommend it. Okay, especially if you're a beginner in this, do not try with the braids. It's going to give you a very hard time unless you're a pro now. Okay, but if you're a beginner or if you get a hard time using the braids, guys, just use this type of hair. So when you're starting now your twist, you start like a normal one. And remember, when you're twisting, one side goes behind and one side twisting to the front. So keep that in mind. Don't try to put them in the same direction. And then when you're starting out, you just twist it a little bit, then you go to the next step. Okay, I hope you know what I mean. Twist it just like 2-3 times, then you start adding the extensions, like going as you add. And guys, when you're adding, go step by step, tuck out by tuck out. Okay, as I'm doing here now, I'm on to my second one, and then one hand twist to the back and one hand twist to the front. That is how you'll know you're on the right track, like you're doing the right thing. Okay, but when you notice that both hands are twisting in the same direction, now you won't get your twist out or your flat twist perfectly. It won't come out perfectly. So you have to make sure one side is going to the front and one side is going to the back when you're twisting. That's all you need to know. That's one tip. That's one trick you need to know right here. All right, so you're just going to continue twisting and twisting. You add and add until you get to the end. It's just simple, guys, and make sure you twist it properly as I'm doing here. Before now, you alternate them. Yeah, you cross them, then you just continue with the same process. You repeat the same thing. You add step by step. That's all you need to know. If you have any question, any inquiry, just leave it down in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, guys, just leave it down in the comment section. You know, even suggestions really help most of our viewers to learn. Even me, I learn many things from here. Okay, so let's help each other here. So you're just going to continue like that up to the end, and then that's it, guys. We'll have our flat twist, and then at the end you're just going to twist and have it like a rope. Okay, that's it. That's all you need to know in this tutorial. So I'm just gonna leave you here and just keep watching till the end, and you will learn most of the stuff. And guys, remember to subscribe to my channel and get to learn more about everything, like most of these styles, the new ones, the difficult ones, even the old ones. We revisit them and make them into something beautiful. Okay, I hope this video has really helped you. If it has helped you, just leave a comment down in the comment section. Yeah guys, so I'll leave you here, and I hope you have a good time and you learned something today. Okay.